This is a multi-step equation. I see the equal sign, so I would draw my river to separate the two sides. On the right-hand side, I would see a distributive property here. 7 times n would be 7n. 7 times 2 would be 14. And then I'd just drop everything else. So my first level is now 19 plus 7n equals n plus 7n plus 14. Now I'd see that I have an n right here and an n right here on the same side. So I'd use the commutative property to combine like terms. 1n plus 7n would give me 8n, and then I'd drop everything else. Now I want to get all my numbers on the left and all my numbers, my letters on the left and all my numbers on the right. So the opposite of a positive 8n would be a negative 8n, negative 8n, these 8n's would cancel, and I drop my 14. 7n minus 8n would be negative n, and I drop my 19. Now I still don't have all my numbers on the right hand side, so the opposite of a positive 19 would be a negative 19. Negative n equals 14 minus 19 would be a negative 5. I have a negative n here and a negative 5 here. So remember, I can never have a negative variable. It's like having a negative 1 next to it. So the opposite of multiply by a negative 1 would be to divide. A negative and a negative would cancel out, so n would equal 5. Now remember, there's more than one way to solve this. You might want to work with the numbers first. I always work with the letters first and get the letters on the left-hand side. But remember, there's more than one way to do these type problems.